Okay, 2-3 vocab. First word is multiplication property of equality. For any numbers a, b, and c, if a equals b, then a can equal c. For example, if 6 equals 6, then you can multiply 6 times 2, which is going to be equal to 6 times 2, and it is because 12 equals 12. Next is the division property of equality. For any numbers a, b, and c, but c must equal 0, if a and b equal each other, then it can be said that a over c is equal to b over c. For example, if a and b both equal 15, and you divide both by 3, then they will both come out to 5. Okay, so now we're going to learn how to solve for t using the multiplication property of equality. So first, write the equation. T over 3 equals 7. So now we're going to multiply each side by 3, or 3 over 1. Now the 3's cancel out with each other, and you're left with t times 1, which is t because anything times 1 is itself. So then you have t, and multiply this side times 3, which is going to equal 21. So now you know that t equals 21. Next you must check. So first rewrite the equation. T equals 3 over 7. And now you know that t equals 21, so 21 over 3 equals 7. Now solve for this, so 21 divided by 3 equals 7, so 7 equals 7, and it's check. Your answer is correct. Okay, so now in example 2, we're going to learn how to solve for g, but you have a fraction and a mixed number. So first you're going to want to change this mixed number from 2 over 1/4 into an improper fraction. So 2 and 1/4. I like to think of it, you multiply these two and then add here. So 4 times 2 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. So 2 and 1/4 equals 9 over 4. So now that you know 2 over 1/4 equals 9/4, you can rewrite the equation as 9/4 g equals 1/2. Now you're going to multiply by the reciprocal, or the opposite. So you're going to flip the two numbers on the fractions. So now multiply this times 4 over 9, and do the same to the other side. 4 over 9. So now you have g isolated, so g equals 4 over 18. So now you must simplify the fractions. So 4 over 18. Divide each side, or each side by 2, which equals 2 over 9. So g equals 2 over 9. Next, now you have whole numbers. So this is easier than example A. Now you're going to divide by 6 and divide by 6, so now you have m isolated. So m equals -7. Okay, so in example 3, they give you a word problem. An item's weight on the moon is about 1/6 its weight on Earth. What was the weight of Neil Armstrong's suit and life support backpack on Earth? On the moon, his gear weighs about 33 pounds. So we know what his weight on the moon was, and we know that the moon is about 1/6 its weight on Earth. So we can do 1/6 times weight, and W equals weight on Earth is equal to 33 pounds, which was his gear's weight on the moon. So now what we learned in example 2, we're going to have to multiply each side times 6, and this side times 6, and now 33 times 6 equals 198, so W equals 198. So now you got to write it out in a sentence. So Neil Armstrong's suit weighs 198 pounds